This fully loaded Prestige step deck trailer is designed for serious haulers who need one trailer that can handle machinery, equipment, and standard freight. It has an overall length of 50 feet, and the aluminum deck gives you a lighter weight and corrosion resistance without sacrificing durability. It's equipped with Michelin tires with tire inflation, mounted on polished aluminum wheels. It rides on a tri-axle air ride suspension with a front lift axle for saving tire wear and improving efficiency when you're running light. The 11-foot upper deck and 34-foot main deck provide plenty of space for long or oversized cargo. With load levelers, winches, and various tie-downs and chain pull-outs positioned for flexibility. At the back, you get a 5-foot Beavertail with 4 aluminum flip ramps to easily load machinery onto the lower deck. A nice feature is, when they are flipped up, they're level with the main deck, adding additional normal drop deck space. And at the front, ramps raise from the deck to further load equipment to the top platform. They are gas-assisted, making it easy for single-person use. The flush-mounted design eliminates the need to have ramps stored under the trailer. This configuration makes the entire length of the trailer usable for hauling machinery. On each side, you'll find 60-inch aluminum toolboxes and large dunnage racks, giving you plenty of storage. Lighting is another highlight, with flush-mounted LEDs, rear strobes, and extendable wide load lights make this trailer stand out on the road. Built to haul it all, this Prestige Combo Dropdeck delivers strength where you need it, and weight savings where it counts, and versatility to haul and secure any type of cargo. Midco Sales is a Prestige trailer dealer. To learn more about any of their flatbeds and drop decks, visit us online at midcosales.com.